Hello, Union Stars and Union Parents. This is Ms. Bacon, your second grade teacher for the 2020-21 school year. And although we're not starting off the school year normally how we would start it off, we are starting virtual, but I do want to let you all know that we are all in this together. Remember, Hakuna Matata, and see you soon virtually.
Welcome to Mrs. Thompson's second grade class. I am so happy to be taking you through the adventures of second grade this year. We're not starting out in person together, but we're going to make the most of our adventures virtually. I look forward to seeing you online September the 8th. Be there, be ready to travel through second grade. We're going to have a great year and oh, the places you'll go. Look forward to seeing you soon. Love you.
Okay, second grade teacher, 5 days a week. Teaching my scholars so that brain is not weak. Huh? What? Who? When? Huh? You getting taught by this good old teacher. Bring some Starburst and a soda for your good old teacher. Learning everything you got from this good old teacher. Bye. See you soon, bro.